How to replace engine oil on Volkswagen Tiguan 3, Arteon, Passat B8, Golf 8, 2.0 diesel in 7 easy steps. When you replace the engine oil, it is better to change also the oil filter. See the video tutorial with the oil filter replacement below in the video description. Here is the maintenance kit for Volkswagen Tiguan 3, 2.0 diesel, from 2017 that you can find it in the video description below. This is the oil that we are gonna put it in the car, which is a Castrol Edge 5W30 recommended by Volkswagen. We have used approximately 4.5 liters of Castrol Edge oil for this 2.0 diesel engine with 184 HP. Required tools: a ratchet, a T25 and T45 torques, a 19mm socket, a funnel, a special container for the used oil, a torque wrench. 1. Lift the car to have access at the underbody shield. 2. Remove the underbody shield using a T25 and T45 torques. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. 3. Remove the drain plug with a 19mm socket and wait for the oil to drain. Collect the used oil in a special container. Retighten the drain plug using a torque wrench and set the torque value for 28 Nm. 5. Install the underbody shield back on the car. 6. Fill the engine with properly oil. For the 2.0 TDI, 184 HP engine, we have used Castrol Edge 5W30 recommended by Volkswagen. We have used 4.5 liters of Castrol Edge oil. 7. Fit the cap from the oil filler hole. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the oil to settle into the oil pan and then check the oil level using the dipstick. Start the engine and let it to run for about 10 minutes until your pressure oil light will turn off. Check again after 5 to 10 minutes with the engine off. If the oil level is below the min mark, we would recommend adding more oil. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.